I'm today in front of me new iPad Air 2022 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by triple press the power key button I can activate here the Assistive Touch and use these features on the Assistive Touch, but if you want also we can just change this feature. So now I'll show you how to change it. So we should go into the settings and then you should find here the accessibility section. Now just scroll down to the accessibility shortcut and as can you see we got here selected the Assistive Touch. We can activate here a couple of functions together. For example, we can enable the color filters, the smart invert and the zoom. And now by triple press the power key we can just activate for example one from these features. So we can just use one from these features. As can you see, we can change the color filters, or for example we can disable zoom, or we can enable the zoom here by just turn off this switchers, functions. For example, now we'll click here to increase the contrast and we'll turn off this Assistive Touch from the first time, so we'll turn it off. And now just by triple click on the power button we'll also only increase the contrast. So you can, as can you see, we can use only one feature here, or also we can just activate all of these features if you want. And by triple click to the power key button we'll get here the a list of accessibility shortcuts, and you can turn them on or turn them off by this way. And also we got the second way. For example, if you got activated the Assistive Touch here, so just click here to the touch section, click to the Assistive Touch and activate the Assistive Touch here. So as can you see, now we can just go back to the home button here. Also, for example, we can here use the control center or the gestures, and we can change these features here. For example, we should click here to customize top menu, and here we can change just icons here. For example, we can make maximum here at 8 icons and minimum 1 icon here. Also we can reset that. Here is we got the default icons here, and for example if we'll add for example one more icon, we can here click here to plus, and we can here add for example the screenshot icon, the volume up down, the scroll icons, the menu tab icons. We got here a lot of the, for example we can launch the camera. And now for example when we'll go back and we'll click here, we can also just activate the camera by click on this on the Assistive Touch. And also here we got the different options. For example, by single tap on the Assistive Touch here, we can just open the Assistive Touch menu, but we can switch it just to another different functions, or just to activate some applications. For example, we can activate the camera just by single tap on the Assistive Touch here, or for example we got here the double tap, we can also activate the camera, or for example we can make a screenshot. So now by double click to the Assistive Touch, as can you see, we just take screenshot here. Or also we get here the long press the Assistive Touch, we can for example enable the voice control feature, or for example we can enable the home button just to go back to the home screen. So now as can you see, we just activated the home screen here. So we got here a lot of different settings. You can just select one from these options, or just if you wanna add here more icons, such as delete them, or you can just reset and use the default icons here. So a lot of different options. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.